Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by gathering a 4.0 hook, worsted yarn in black, white, and orange. This choice gives firm stitches and clear color contrast. Make a magic ring and work 6 single crochets into it. You want a tight center so the stuffing won't show. Once done, increase evenly for 3-4 rounds to shape the head. Make sure to mark the first stitch of each round. You'll understand why consistent increases form a smooth sphere rather than a lumpy blob. You now switch yarn to black and continue even rounds to extend the body. Carrying yarn neatly prevents bulky seams. For the penguin belly, plan a white oval. Change color mid-round and crochet the oval separately or use intarsia-style joins. This gives a clean front. Once length is right, decrease symmetrically to taper the bottom so the penguin can sit. Meanwhile, crochet wings and feet as flat pieces, attached later for precise placement and balanced proportions. You're at assembly. Place safety eyes or sew buttons, then tack a small orange triangle for beak so facial features align before final stuffing. Stuff firmly but not overpacked. Overstuffing distorts shape. Use a yarn needle to sew wings and feet in symmetrical positions, then close the opening with invisible decreases and weave ends inside. If the toy looks lopsided, remove a few stitches, adjust stuffing, or reposition sewn pieces. That single fix usually cures most shape problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.